We are also interested in this.
Yes,
because
yes,
it is going
yes,
to be,
yes, of course, but that is in connection with Tucci and Buddhism in this area, and it's not with this renovation, so it's kind of accidentally. It's not that
incidentally.
it's not that we renovate just because we are filmed. Okay?
अच्छा अच्छा कौन सरल है वो प्रोजेक्ट में मैच है कैमरा आप लोगों ने ये नहीं समझना हम अपने आप को आगे दिखाने के लिए कैमरा भी लेके आए हैं जो पता तो ना हो तो से मान सकते ये से नहीं सोचना क्या मैंने जैसे बोल दिया ना उन्होंने लेके आए
Renovation project is a kind of long-term project.
Right.
With the intention, and that's why we started it, because we found people who would like to restore the paintings.
फिती रंग होती है तो सब पूरा पक्का जो है तने नंगला से ना फोन लगा बेचारा मिल गया सेकंडली इन्होंने तने इतना दूर से आ रहे हैं ये लोगों से बोल के इधर ऐसे चीज है फाइनेंस
and then they have to realize which will last for years. And one of the crucial decisions is that they have to decide to take to agree to what we are doing, because a problem is when somebody else works in between, then tension arises, or then we are blamed for somebody else's work and so on. So that means when we start the project after the emergency measures, then it's necessary that they agree that nobody else works on the same thing.
Right.
We know that in restoration there are many options. There are many possibilities how to restore. You can repaint, you cannot repaint, you can do many different things. You can try to put it back to the original state, or you can try to consolidate how it is now. So there are many options, and these options we will discuss together each step. But the general view that we, or the group which is initiated by us, should do the whole work must be agreed by the village.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
We corner rek hang thoto na so tere emergency le te chung na ote plan na so tan you have to mention
like there's need
yang yurat nó xin rồi thằng yurat nó khá mình chẳng hạn khá bây giờ khá cái chứ mà cho khá thế sao mình tự nhiên rồi cháu yêu người rồi chỉ đường rồi chỉ sạp gì rồi chỉ làm đây chúng ta thay mình nói đường đi chúng ta ya cái gì Syria đủ đủ कौन है इंडियन या तो सब या कोई नहीं है आई डोंट नो